In this video, I'm going to be sharing the step-by-step process of shooting my video and publishing it online. I'm going to be taking you back. You're going to see my studio at the back end of my YouTube channel. That's my YouTube studio. You're going to see everything. So I'm going to be sharing how I shoot my videos, from everything, gadgets, camera, my microphone, how I edit my videos and also publish it. You might see the step-by-step process of the things I tweak at the back end in order to complete my video publishing on YouTube. And if you're interested in any of these, watch this video till the end. If you're interested in just the YouTube journey, whether it's something for you, you want to know the little things involved in YouTube so that you decide whether you want to start your journey or you want to grow, you already have a YouTube channel, then stick with me. Subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be spilling everything. I'm going to be showing you every single thing. I believe that in addition to being a consumer of social media, I feel you should also be a producer. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm here sharing information because I feel it's going to make a big difference. And without wasting time, let's get into this video. As a wife and a mother with 2 young children and also a full-time content creator on YouTube, here are the 7 steps of my workflow. First, I get my video ideas from my experience. I also get my ideas from my friends and family on Facebook. They ask me questions on how to relocate. I get ideas from other YouTubers. When they share videos, you get ideas on how to make things better. I make videos answering questions my subscribers ask me on YouTube. And I do not script. I do a lot of research, but I don't script. I just write down some points and go with the flow. Number 2 is my video and equipment. So I use an iPhone 13 Pro Max and also use this particular ring light I got from Amazon. I'll put the links to everything in the description box. I also use a stand, another stand to hold my phone. I'll put the links in the description box, as well as a second ring light. So this is the setup I have. I have my ring light at an angle of 45 degrees and the other light, another angle of 45 degrees. So this is the setup that actually works for me right now. I might change it in the future, but for now, this is what works for me. I believe in spending as little money as possible when you start. Don't buy all the gadgets in the world. Next is my microphone. I use the Rode Go 2 Pro microphone so that if I have a visitor or a guest, the person can also be wired up. So it has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver that I plug into my iPhone. To connect the receiver to my iPhone, I use the Apple Lightning and the Rode SC7. Everything is in the description box. Next is video day. So I always use the cinematic mode on my iPhone to shoot all my videos because it creates a blurry background. Then I sit down, then I prep myself and, ginger myself. Listen to me. How cute I look. I look so lovely. Ha 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 ha. This is beautiful. I'll be lying to you if I tell you that I feel like this every day I shoot. Some days I just don't feel like, but I treat this like a job. I treat this like a job. Take a look at this video. I shot this video. I was so tired. I was very sleepy, but I went ahead and shot it because I knew that my subscribers needed to know about this. I repeat myself whenever I say something that is out of line, and then I know that during the video editing day, I would cut it out. 4th on my list is video editing day. It takes a long time to complete it. So I use CapCut. I'll just go to CapCut on my phone, and then I'll upload the video and then start hacking it out, So I just add text. I also add B-rolls, which is photos or videos from pixels.com. I prefer using CapCut because it's so easy for me to lie on the bed or in a cushion and just edit it on my phone. Once I'm done with the editing, I just export it to my phone. Next on my list is my thumbnail design. I use Canva for all my design. I use the free version. It's so easy to do. Just type in the text there, put your cutout photo, and that's it. Voila. You download it and you get ready to upload it. So easy. Many top YouTubers advise you to create your thumbnail before your video, but I don't do that because I don't have the time. Number 6 is the step-by-step process of completing my video upload. So I just go to the YouTube icon and click on that plus sign there to upload it, select the video I'm interested in, and then click on upload. So once that video goes in there, it's next is just to create a title, and then I just make it private. I don't make it public because I know I'm going to edit it on my laptop. On my laptop, I just scroll down to YouTube Studio, and next when I click on that and open it, I just go straight to the video I want to edit. I click on content. You see the first video there. That's the latest video I just uploaded. And then I click on the video. This is where I put everything I need to do to optimize this video. You can see the video title, so I add a description. This is where I put all my affiliate links. It's very important that you do that because relying on ads alone will not make you a good living on YouTube. So you need to put your affiliate links in this description box so that if anybody's interested in what you have to offer, they will buy from you. Then I upload a thumbnail. I upload it from what I downloaded from Canva. Next is to add this video to my playlist. I have 4 playlists. You know, I don't want to create different channels for different things, so I just do it this way, which is really works for me. It works for me. So that's what I do. I click on done. As you scroll down this page, you will see no, it's not made for kids. I don't make videos for kids. Then age restriction, I just want it for adults, but it's not strictly for adults. So if you click on show less, it will show you some of these things. Sometimes I like to allow automotive chapters in my videos. Sometimes I don't because YouTube's automotive chapter selection is quite inaccurate. So next is to add video tags. You can get this from ChatGPT, but an easy workflow for me is that I just copy tags from my previous videos, and that works for me. So I click on copy all from this old video and then go to the video I'm currently editing and add new tags, something related to the video I'm editing, a few of them, and then click on Ctrl V to paste the tags I got from the previous video. Then I delete a few of them so that they're under 500 letters, and that's how I make it so easy for myself and save time. When you scroll down, you will have to choose a category for your YouTube video. I chose education here, but sometimes I choose how to. Just select the appropriate one. Next is comments. I like to have my comments on. I like to listen to what my subscribers have to say about the video. Then I copy the video link and share to my family and friends on Facebook. Next is end screen. This is how I recommend another video for my audience to watch. So when you click on it, it looks like this. I like to click import from video. Then I click on best for viewer, but I choose a specific video that is related to this video I just published. So I choose one of my old videos, and then after clicking on one of the videos I feel that the audience will be interested in, I now click on save. The 9th item on my list is cards. So I'm going to link a playlist. So have you watched a video and then you see a link on the top right corner? That's what I'm doing here. I'm going to click on a playlist so that I'll keep our viewers watching all the videos within my channel. So I'll just click this playlist. I'll drag it to the portion of the video where I want the playlist or the link to appear on top of the video. And so it keeps viewers within my channel. They will consume more of my channel. And then we click on saved here now, so that we can move into the next item. The last stage of my workflow is learn from experience. I have to look at the studio, how the video is performing, know what to do to improve and get better. I hope you benefited from this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.